Hi guys and gals, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. We were asked multiple times if one can use a trading account, if one can use securities which you own, right, as a proof of funds for immigration to Canada. In other words, say you are trading on a stock market, right, and you're looking to use that amount of money, right, or virtual money, if you will, in terms of the assets which you have on this stock market, as a proof of funds available for immigration to Canada, if it's possible, if it's not. Let me just look at two sides of the story here very briefly so that we would understand which way we're going to. Now, one of them is provincial immigration and the other one is federal. With respect to provincial immigration, probably the best example would be Saskatchewan, because many of you actually know that Saskatchewan is quite stringent when it comes down to proof of funds. Surprisingly, for many applicants, you can actually demonstrate your trading account as a proof of funds for Saskatchewan. Though you got to be very careful with this, because Saskatchewan clearly states that the amount of money you have in your account should be equal or more than the required threshold throughout the whole period of your immigration. So in other words, if Saskatchewan is processing your application for half of a year, right, and your account amount or amount of money in your account drops by $5, literally, okay, we actually have an example of that. Literally by $5, Saskatchewan has the right to refuse your application. Now you got to be very careful with this, because when it comes down to trading in securities, the situation might change in a matter of seconds. So you got to be very, very careful unless you have a number of very solid securities, if you will, which are not impacted by the situation on the market. Now, when it comes to federal government, on the other hand, right, situation might be a bit different, because we do have examples of our clients who were successfully able to immigrate showing X amount of money in their trading account. Though I have to disclose here, this trading account was attached directly to their bank account, right? So the proof of availability of those funds was given by the bank, despite the fact that it's a banking trading account, so it's still trading in securities, right? You got shares in Amazon, you got shares in Microsoft, whatever you name it, right? But it's still with the bank, so federal government was looking at it quite favorably. And another disclaimer in here is that everything being said is active for now, right? For two reasons. Well, first of all, federal government is starting to introduce changes in express entry and federal skilled worker, and we want to be absolutely sure that, you know, everything's been said is active for now, but I'm not sure how it would play out in the future. There are no reasons to panic or believe that something would change, but who knows, right? With respect to Saskatchewan, well, these guys are unpredictable and they're changing everything fairly fast and quickly, so just keep an eye on it and make sure that you check your checklist and check out the requirements for provincial immigration if you're looking to immigrate with a provincial support. And last but not least, we will soon record videos when we would show you how one could make money trading in securities, trading on the market with respect for immigration to Canada, what to do with this and how to play it out properly, so that in the future you will be able to use this funds for immigration. Stay tuned with us and subscribe to the channel.